Hi, everyone. Let's talk about comparing two, three, or more things or people. All right. First, we know adjectives describe people and things. So, adjectives describe. We can change an adjective to compare two or more. We call this the comparative. The comparative, when it is just two things. When we compare three or more, it is called the superlative. Superlative. Okay? So let's see how words change. You change them based on syllables, whether it has one syllable, two syllables, and sometimes if it ends in Y, like happy or angry. And of course, in English, some words break the rules. They are irregular. Irregular. Like good, bad, far. They change this way. So good changes from good to better to best. Bad changes to worse to worst. Far is farther. You can also say further. Then farthest and furthest. For more regular adjectives like big and fast, to compare two things, we add ER. Bigger, faster. If it has two or more syllables, we use the word more. But the word does not change. You just say more beautiful, more expensive. For words ending in Y, like happy and angry, you change the Y to an I, and then it is happier, angrier. And again, we change for three or more. The I still changes, and we use EST or est. For comparing three or more, we almost always use EST. For syllables, for words with two or more syllables, we use most. So we go from more to most. The most beautiful, the most expensive. Some words you change the spelling, like with big. You add one letter to make two letters. You always want two letters, so it does not change from big to bigger. You want bigger, or big to biggest. You want biggest. Let's look at some examples of the comparative. When we compare two things, we have an adjective like small. You can say, this house is small. For the comparative with one syllable, you add ER plus than, like this. This house is smaller than this house. You can say this house is smaller than this house. That's good. You can say the black car is fast. To compare, you say the black car is faster than the white car. You can say summer is hot. You would add this one. You don't want to say hotter, so you add the T, so it's still hot. Summer is hotter than winter. Summer is hotter than winter. Now we have 2 or more syllables for the adjective. Beautiful, beautiful, right? So we can say the beach is beautiful. We change it with more. So we say the beach is more beautiful than, we can say the city. The beach is more beautiful than the city. His clothes are expensive. Expensive. 3 syllables, right? His clothes are expensive. We can say his clothes are more expensive than hers. Or you can say than her clothes. That's fine. The dog is happy. The dog is happy. But we have the Y ending, so Y changes to I. So we say the dog is happier than the cat. The dog is happier than the cat. He is angry. He is angry. But again, it has a Y, so we change it to the I. Angrier. He is angrier than her. He is angrier than her. Let's look at the irregular, some irregular words. Good. The blue bike is good. Okay, that works. We change it to better. The blue bike is better. Better than, you could say, the red bike. The blue bike is better than the red bike. My computer is bad. My computer is bad. You change bad to worse. So you could say, my computer is worse than her computer. My computer is worse than her computer. So these are when you compare 2 things or 2 people. So what do you write or say when you want to say no, or you want to use the negative? No. You use not. And you use this for 2 things, 3 things, or many things. It's the same. For example, you can say the black car is faster than that car. The black car is faster than that car. But you can write, if you want to say, no, that's not true. The black car is not faster than that car. You can also say the black car isn't. Remember, this is a contraction. The black car isn't faster than that car. His clothes are the best. No, they're not. His clothes are not the best. You can say his clothes aren't. Again, that's the contraction with are, aren't the best. He is not angrier than her. He is not angrier than her. Or he isn't. Just like the other ones. Just like these. My computer is the worst. No, it's not. My computer is not the worst. All right. I hope that helps. I know this is a lot. Remember, study, study. You can do it because you are smart. And you can do it. All right. We'll see you later. Have a good day.